Hello everyone, let me introduce myself first. My name is Nadia Indriani Shahtiar from the Faculty of Psychology, Department of Psychology. Here, I will review the English debate material practice. The ASTOR or assistant tutor at the time of the material, namely on Wednesday, January 15, 2025, was Kanata and the tutor was Kahilmi. And this was the third material on the day. A debate is more than just a discussion. It is a structured argument requiring clarity, logic, and teamwork. There is three cause makes a debate is matter or what you say, manner why you say it, and the method how you structure it. Each plays a argument and effective delivery. First one, it's about a matter. Matter, it's about how the arguments are thought out and the supporting evidence. Matter will be accepted if the first is logical, does your argument make sense, and follow a clear progression of ID. And the second is irrelevant, ensure it aligns directly with the motion and your team stance. The second is manner. Manner is about how you deliver your argument effect, how your message is received. In manner, just focus on the first is eye contact to maintain engagement with the audience and judge. The second is confident in your knowledge of the topic. And the third is body language, including pacing your speech, variation in tone, and clear voice projection. And the last is expression. Use a combination of body and vocal expression to engage the audience effectively. The last, it's about a method. The structure of your debate determines how coherent and impactful your argument is. This includes the team interpretation, cohesion between team members, teamwork, and collaboration to ensure all arguments are connected, a clear theme to guide the debate, knowledge of your teammates' arguments for seamless rebuttals. For the assessment, its methods are 40%, manner is 40%, and the method is 20%. For an example of a case or motion is that money cannot buy happiness. With this, two parties will be formed, namely cons and pros. The argument for pros is happiness is abstract and comes from within like inner peace and meaningful relationship, which money can buy. True fulfillment lies in emotional and personal connection, not material wealth. And for Cross is money is essential to meet human needs and create opportunities for happiness. Financial stability reduce stress and allow us to care of ourselves and others, making happiness more achievable. So, in a debate, it shows that both the pro and con parties have strong arguments. The pros emphasize that happiness is something abstract and comes from inner peace, which money cannot buy. Meanwhile, the opposing side emphasizes that money is unimportant to fulfill life needs, which in the end can bring happiness. It all comes down to each perspective, but what is certain is that happiness is something we must seek in a way that best suits our value. And in a debate, we must be confident and firm in our position. Maybe that's all that I want to say about reviewing the English debate on practice from the tutor, namely Kahilmi. I apologize if there are any words I said that were impolite, whether intentionally or unintentionally. And I hope all these tips from Kahilmi can help you craft a good and memorable debate in doing English debate. Maybe that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for listening and watching.